Everyone, welcome to my new tutorial. In this tutorial we're going to look into the questions that are related to discount, and we're going to look into depth to find out what sorts of questions we might going to find in an exam and how we're going to attempt them. Now, before attempting any questions, it is very important we need to find out what discount is basically now, and what type of discount questions you might going to face in exam, and how we can attempt those questions. Now, discount, what do you mean by discount? Discount is an amount we find or calculate to get the percentage or the amount. So this is the proportion of the actual amount that we call it a percentage of it out of 100. Now, what type of questions you might be asked in exam, and normally we get a question to calculate uh, the discount amount and then add it in the given price. Now calculate the discount amount straight away, they might gonna give it to you. Now the price after discount is given and you will have to find the discount amount from that. Now the price is given and you will have to find the percentage it makes. Now these are the types of questions you might gonna find in exam. Now how we will gonna solve it? There are many ways to solve these questions. Number one is to find the percent 1% and then multiply to calculate and find the exact percentage that we are asked for. Now if amount is percentage deducted, then divide the amount to its percentage and then multiply it with the percentage needed to calculate. To do that, we're going to look into our first example. In our first example, an iPhone is priced at 400, but after a bad sale, the shop has announced a reduction of 20% discount. What will be the new price? So the actual price is 400. Now after a reduction of 20%, how much is going to be? Now the initial price is 400. The discount percentage that it is offered is 20%. So we can say it's 0.20. Now the discount amount we need to first calculate, which is going to be 400, the initial price, times the percentage, the discount that it offers, that is going to be 0.20. Now that gives us the discount amount of £80. Now it's very easy, we just need to deduct it. So then now the new price is going to be 400 minus 80, and it will give us our new price after the discount, that is going to be £320. Now let's have a look at another example. An iPad price has been reduced from 300 to £270. To what percentage the price has been reduced to? So you need to find the percentage of deduction from 300 to 270. Now look closely. The reduced price is going to be 270. First we need to find the fraction of it. Now the amount reduced is going to be £30. So £30 we can divide it by 300 and then we multiply it by 100 to get its percentage. And if you solve £30 divided by £300 and multiply it by 100, it will give you 10% only, and that is going to be our answer. Now third question, after a mega sale of 20% discount, the Samsung Galaxy Note 3 is selling on £360. What is the actual price before the discount is offered? Now the new price is going to be 360 after the discount of 20%. What is the actual percentage, the 100% or the actual price? Now to find out, the first method is going to be you take the total 80%, so 360 basically represent 80% only because the 20% is taken off, so therefore you take the fraction of it. So 360, 1% of it we're going to find. 360 divided by 80, that's going to give us £4 and 50 pence. Now you just multiply £4 and 50 pence by 100, since we are finding the 100% of it. Therefore that's going to give us £450. So So the actual price before the discount was £450. Now there's another method to find it. Let's have a look at that one as well. So the 80% of the price is going to be 360. Now if we make the price equal to P, so it's going to be 0.80, which is going to be 80%. It's going to be the price is equal to 360. Now if you get rid of 0.80 to make it P isolated to find its value, so we divide both sides by 0.80. That 80 on the left hand side, get rid of the 0.80, we are left with P on V. Now 360 divided by 0.80 gives us 4.5. So that is the first percentage of it. Now if you just multiply it by 100, it will give you your actual price before the discount is offered. Thanks for watching guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.